Ubufakazi uthi kunomuntu osesikhundleni esiphezulu esikhungweni sezobnhloli owaqashwa nguAdvocate Bongo kube kungalandeliwe imigudu efanele.
It was clear on the face of the submission aforesaid that the appointment of the member concerned by the then Minister of State Security, Advocate Bongani Bongo, was done in total disregard of the applicable laws and regulations.
Udokotela uSetlhomamaru utshele isicaba ukuthi bamazisa uAdvocate Bongo ukuthi abeneme ngokuqoka kwalomuntu ngoba ingacaci kahle indaba yakhe.
It was indicated to the minister that with the evidence collected thus far by us, it was clear that the appointment of the member concerned was irregular and unlawful. No useful purpose was going to be served by approaching the former minister and interview him.
Ubufakazi uthi kukwamaqhanqa esikhungweni sezobnhloli abanye abantu abaqashwe khona bangena ngoba bazana nosombusazwe abathile.
There is evidence even in the high-level review panel which concludes that the SSA has been turned into an employment agency for the politically connected as well as those who are connected to the senior managers within the state security agency.
Ubufakazi uthi namanje bakaze bayithole impendulo evela kuBongo ngemibuzo abayithumela kuyena.
This is a significant point. Since then, the minister has never reverted back to us.
Isicaba siyaqhubeka kanti khona ntambama namhlanje kulindeleke ukuthi lowo wayesikhulu esiphezulu eTransnet uSiyabonga Gama abuyele kulesi sicaba. NginguCalvin Dludla wezindaba zeSABC ngibika ngiseGoli.